Good day, guys. Need a formal bank confirmation letter from FNB without visiting a branch? Here's how to generate and download it instantly using the FNB application. So firstly, step number 1, open your FNB mobile banking app and of course log in as usual. Then navigate to the accounts and tap the arrow or the account name for the specific account you need the letter for. After that, look for the option labeled account confirmation letter or under documents/bank letters. Then just tap to download the PDF. It usually saves directly to your device or allows you to email it. After that, that's it. Your official letter is ready. No fees, no branch visits required. The digital letter includes all key details: your name, account number, branch code, account opening date, and even an electronic stamp to verify authenticity. It can be used for validating salary payments, visa applications, and any third-party checks requiring proof of bank accounts. So that's how you easily get this confirmation letter from FNB. Like and subscribe for more South Africa banking tutorials, and comment if you want help with statements, POPs, or other document types next. Thank you for watching. See you soon.